Yeah, but yeah, really warm and muggy, almost summer-like out there right now. There's not much wind, humidity's up, but things are going to change. It's going to change. It's going to take a couple days for it to happen. Let's start by looking at what's going on tonight, because across the valley tonight, we've got some clouds moving in. A lot of these are high clouds that came off some thunder showers that were over in Mexico earlier. That's what's kind of moving over Starr County as we speak. But let's take a look. I think the Doppler network picking up on just a lot of ground clutter out there right now. But if we go out a little bit, see that, not the green stuff over the valley, but those light showers way off to the west. And again, the tops of those clouds, the cirrus, kind of being blown off toward South Texas. So we have to deal with that. But that's about it tonight. But things are going to change. Probably late tomorrow. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. No issues there. There's 7 o'clock in the morning, mainly cloudy during the early part of the day tomorrow. And we'll stay that way most of the day. Mostly cloudy, another very warm and humid day. Not a whole lot of wind tomorrow. But then as you get into tomorrow night, that's when things start to get interesting. Maybe not at 7 or 8 o'clock, but look at that. 2 o'clock in the morning, you see showers and strong thunderstorms moving through. The Storm Prediction Center now has us in the slight risk category for severe storms tomorrow night. You can see at 2 o'clock in the morning, you've got stuff already working its way into the eastern part of the valley, and then by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, most of the big stuff, the bright colors, the red, the yellow, the orange, are all offshore. Just some leftover green near the coast. That's just lighter rain by 5 a.m. And then Friday, just cloudy skies with scattered showers around the area. Not thunderstorms on Friday, just scattered showers, but at least the potential for rain will continue. Again, here's what the Storm Prediction Center is saying. We're most of the valley in that category 2, if you will, which 1 is marginal. That's the coast, which just means there could be an isolated thunderstorm. Most of the valley's in that slight risk, the yellow area. That means scattered severe storms are possible. So it's something we have to watch for overnight, tomorrow night, into the early morning hours of Friday. And of course, we'll keep doing that. Here's the workings. Here's everything that's going on. A front coming down from the north will be in Texas tomorrow afternoon. But out ahead of it, notice the showers and thunder showers that start to fire up in the middle of Texas. And by the time you get to midnight tomorrow night, look how there's all kinds of stuff starting to fire up, not only here in the valley, but from here all the way up to Houston and San Antonio. That entire area fair game for severe thunderstorms tomorrow night. But that front, as the text says over here, is going to stall almost right on top of us on Friday. So when it gets here, it stalls, triggers showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two tomorrow night, and then the front just kind of hangs around, keeping Friday cooler. Not because it goes through, although it could. It's still going to be probably upper 70s, maybe 80 in a few places. That's it on Friday. Front turns around on Saturday, moves back out as a warm front. We're right back up around 90 again. Then the next front, that's a Pacific cool front, that comes through on Easter Sunday. That dries the air out but doesn't cool it off. What will cool it off is front number 3. There you go. That one comes in Tuesday and brings cooler air in for the middle part of next week. So tonight is quiet, mostly clear. Some clouds already beginning to show up, kind of coming off those showers in Mexico. But then tomorrow, partly sunny most of the day. It's a day a lot like today. But then tomorrow night, showers, maybe a thunderstorm in the mix. There is potential for severe weather tomorrow night. Talking about mostly damaging winds and perhaps some large hail. So keep an eye on the weather tomorrow. And of course, you can count on us to do that for you. Here's a look at the next 7 days. And best chance of thunderstorms is tomorrow night, early Friday. Scattered stuff on Friday. On Saturday, maybe a leftover shower. And then after that, the rain chance moves out by Sunday. And next week looks like it'll be pretty nice. So tomorrow night, that's what we're going to watch. Of course, the entire First Warn 5 storm tracking team, most of them working from home, are going to be tracking this right along with us. And we'll keep you up to date tomorrow night as the situation warrants. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.